Mr. Russia has been kind enough to give us his vehicle to rap, and it's an honor for us to sort of just help him out, to take his name in the social market, which already exists. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you.
Oh, what's up, bro?
You
good? My car finished?
Foilex, yes, absolutely.
Oh, this is day 2. We're in Foilex now. Remember, the first day they were started to wrapping it, so they did this car, I think, in one day. So shout out to Foilex, man, the best car wrap in Dubai. So let's go see the car. Oh my God, shit! Look at this. This is the best car in Dubai, the best car in the world. Okay, I'm just so blessed to have this car. Shout out to Foilex. Make sure to follow them on Instagram. They did the wrap in less than a day, I can say. Less than a day. Shout out to them. And let's go around, let's see the car. Shout out to Eric Meyer, Jamar, and shout out to Bone Ready Films. They're the best film crew in London. Shout out to them. It's all about the details. Foilex, the best car wrap in the...
In Dubai, man. Not in Dubai, in the world. You gotta come check us out.
In the world, in the world.
In the world.
Don't cut that, in the world. I want to thank Mohammed for supporting me. And make sure to follow Foilex and let's go cruise around the streets. Let's do it.